This is an interesting building, perhaps. They've been building this for a long time near where I live, near the Tangier Outlet Mall. And I've been wondering what it is as they built it. It's got a very big back section. It's got a very lot of garage doors and a big section on the side that's double garage doors pass through with like a 60-foot interior. And it's got a big like canopy area in the front. And I'm like, what is this? It's kind of like a car dealership, but the things that were auguring against that is its parking lot is rather small. So they couldn't have a big inventory. And I was thinking, is it a bus depot? Is it some kind of car repair place? Well, now we have the answer. It's a Mercedes-Benz car dealership, which explains why there isn't a whole lot of parking, because they probably won't have a 500 car inventory like a Chevy dealer might. And the canopy there, what I'm hoping, will be over a Mercedes-Benz charging location. Wouldn't that be great? Right here? So continuing my investigation from home to see what this new facility is all about, I saw on their banner on the fence that they have a website, mbcn.com for Mercedes-Benz of Columbus North. And here it is. So let's see what they say. Beautiful renderings of the site. Very big. And this whole area with the AMG is like this separate, it's like two dealerships. The regular Mercedes and the AMG. Let's see what they say. "50,000 square foot of luxury and innovation with an AMG brand center." It'll be the first in the US. That's pretty special. Now, do they say anything about charging? A bunch of shots of the interior and whatnot. Gorgeous as you'd expect. And I guess that's it. No mention of charging. But let's not give up there. Berkshire Township, like most municipalities, posts the permits for construction, and I was able to find this permit. And if we scroll down far enough, all the way down, we start to see some plans. And the one that had the electric box on it was of interest to me. Interior, the elevations. Lovely rendering. Another lovely rendering. And I don't see, what don't we see? Any place to charge. No place to charge. Now, I believe there were some designs that showed the electrical plan. There. See if I can zoom this in. We see there's a little transformer back here. That's probably just for the building. That's definitely not going to power fast charging. And no mention of fast charging in any of these parking areas. Loaner pickup, inventory and staging, customer parking. Sadly, no mention of DC fast charging. But not all hope is lost. They also own this whole grass area, which of course could be expanded, and this, which is currently labeled employee parking, with all of this multi-lane access. There's no reason they couldn't make this a Mercedes-Benz charging depot. So here's hoping that they make that expansion sometime in the future. for now, we have this beautiful rendering. I'll be keeping an eye on the build as it goes on, and plan to be one of the first to see the place when it opens up. Thanks for watching.